Hi, welcome to my channel. Day 3 of 3 words and expressions of a handwritten day. Let's review first. 坚持，坚持，坚持，加油，加油，加油 Come on. 我能，我能，我能 I can, I can, I can. 学习，学习，学习 Study or learn. 汉语，汉语，汉语 Chinese, Chinese. 简单，简单，简单 Easy, easy, easy. 我能坚持学习汉语 I can keep learning Chinese. So today we are going to learn 朋友，祝好，尽快。朋友 p n 朋 e o 友，朋友。朋友，朋友，朋友。If you know this, it's 月 double 月朋朋朋友有有朋友 means friends friend 朋友朋友朋友 The second one for today 祝好支乌祝喝凹好祝好祝好祝好祝 and 兄 means brother 好 a girl and a boy means good 好祝好 means all the best 祝好 all the best 祝好祝好 all the best. The third one for today 尽快尽快尽科乌埃快尽快 means as soon as possible 尽快尽快 This is a 尺 means ruler 快竖心旁 and 尽快 as soon as possible 尽快朋友朋友朋友 friend 祝好 all the best 祝好祝好尽快尽快尽快 as soon as possible 朋友祝好尽快Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye bye.